Hello, my friends, and welcome back. This is our journal application. This is a very interesting and very beautiful application we're going to build together. We're going to use many Firebase services. Let's start with Firebase Authentication. This is the login screen. You can create accounts, so we direct it to the account activity, and you should specify a valid and real email. So for example, and you need to specify a password that it is greater than 6 letters and a user name. Click sign up and you open the Firebase console, the authentication. If you refresh it, you can see that the new account is created. Then we can log in with the new email. Click on login, and you will direct it to the journal list activity. This activity will display all the journals in the Firebase Firestore Database. So if you go to the Firebase store, you can see this is the collection called journal, and we have 2 documents. Every document is referred to a journal inside our application. You can see these are the documents and these are the fields and the attributes. And of course, you can select this plus sign to be directed to the add journal activity. Select a new post image from the gallery. We'll learn how to use a gallery and how to get images from the gallery in the newest Android features and newest Android ways. Here you specify the title of your post and the thoughts. Specify the title and thoughts. Click Save Post. You can see the progress bar uploading, and it's added to the journal list activity. And you can see there is a new document inside this journal. We have the image URL, thoughts, time added, and the title. Also, we'll learn about the Firebase storage. This is a new thing that we need to introduce in this app. We are going to create a journal images folder and a reference, and these are the images that are uploaded to this storage. So you can see this is the first image, the second image, and the third image. We're going to learn about Firebase authentication, Firebase storage, how to store images in folders and get their references to use them in the Firebase Firestore. And we're going to learn about Firebase Cloud Firestore. This is a very important application. We're going to learn it because you'll use the same concept in many different applications.